How to remove recommendation songs from Spotify playlist. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the recommendation songs from the Spotify playlist. So to do that, what you need to do is open your Spotify application. After you open it, you just need to go on your library and the songs that the Spotify has been suggesting you. After that, you need to go on any of the song. For example, if it is suggesting some artist song to you, then you can simply open the music right there or your albums. After doing that, you can simply unfollow them. This way the Spotify will not show you the music as well. But if there is any certain song that you don't want to listen like this, then what you can do is tap on the three vertical lines and tap on hide this song. If you do this, then Spotify no more will be showing this song to you as well. If you have a Premier account, then you can simply see the option of infinity kind of right here, and when you tap on this, Spotify will no longer recommend these songs to you as well. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you.